morning, everyone, and welcome back to Laudiaann's Crochet. I am a crocheter. I love to crochet. I've been crocheting since I was 8 years old. I will be, in a couple more weeks in November, I will be 64 years old. So it is my passion to crochet. And if you happen to stop by my crochet channel, welcome. You want to learn how to crochet, you can become a member here. Um, and or you can just click onto my teachingly courses, where I teach you the basic stitches, where you only pay one time, and you can watch those videos over and over until you become an expert crocheting. Anyway, I'm finishing up some customer orders. I finished one, and I'm going to share it with you. They're going to come and pick it up. I had a craft show last week, and I had a customer ask me if I would make some turtles for their, daughters league. And they have 10 girls in the league, and they wanted a teal shell color for the shell, and the body with different, with different, with different colors. And so I did that. I put my card in here, as you can see. I put a sticker. Let me see if I can show it. The sticker says 10 keychain turtles. Thank you on it. There's a note that says thank you on it. Let me share one with you. Okay, so these are the keychain turtles. They have Google eyes, as you can see. See the Google eyes? I don't know if you guys can see it. There it is. And then I have the clip-on keychain. It is a round ring. Let me go closer. As you can see, let me go up. The round ring, but I also have a clip on to it. So it is connected, and this is going to make a wonderful, the girls are going to really enjoy this. They're all different colors. Everyone is unique. I have pink, I have orange, I have green, I have yellow. Just check it out. This is really cool. And as you can see, my label is right there. I had to go closer to the camera so you guys can see. But it is to go. It's already ready. They're gonna come and pick it up, and it's a good thing they can pick it up. They live local, so they're very close. So I will put it back in the bag. And so I am busy today because I'm making some orders. I'm finishing up making the parts for stitch for my cousin. She ordered a stitch for her grandbaby. She ordered another one. This octopus right here is already completed. This is for her too as well. And this one I made special eyes for it. And then I have a giraffe that I had to put together. She ordered a giraffe for her other granddaughter, whoever, grandbaby, and Lilo for her other granddaughter. So I have to make Lilo. After I finish making all the stitch parts, I made all the giraffe parts. That one's done. And then I have to make Lilo's parts. And I make all the parts first because it's faster and it's quicker. And then I just sew it at the end. And then I'm going to mail hers. And she already paid me in advance, but she will pay for the shipping because she lives in San Diego. And I live in Los Alamitos, Stanton, right next door to Stanton. Yes. I was raised in Los Alamitos, but about 5 minutes away from Stanton, from where I was raised. Okay, so this is the stitch I'm making. I've already made like 1, 2. I got 2 for my shows, and they're big. And this is the stitch. They're pretty good size. If you want to check it out, I do have made some. It's in this YouTube channel. It's the same one, and I think this is my 4th order. So I am busy making orders, and I do sell them for $50. Okay, because it's a lot of work. So right now I'm gonna make the fingers. Let's see, the fingers, already made the nose, the arms. Okay, I made the arms, but I'll show you what I made so far. I made the head. I made the ears, and these are 2-layer ears. Okay. And then I made the eyes. The eyes already made. I already sewed them together. I made the nose. And so these are the arms, but I'm going to make the fingers right now, and I'm going to attach them early, okay, right now, because when I sew it all together, I want everything to be complete. After I make the arms, I'm going to make the legs and put the toes on it. And then I do the body last, but I'm going to make the tail, and then I'll do the body last, because the body, you have to change colors, and I don't want to worry about that one. To me, the body part, when you change the colors, that's more work than doing doing this. So I leave the complication later in the end. It's a little bit of work, because you're constantly changing colors from the light blue to the blue, and it is. I don't like too much color changes, but for a stitch, you have to do that no matter what. And you have to have a passion to crochet, and I do. It's just work, it's just a little bit of time. And if you have the patience, you'll be a good crocheter. Okay, I have a lot of patience. Well, welcome back. Earlier in a couple hours ago, I have been watching other crocheters, and I did get some patterns, more patterns. But in between my projects my customer orders, I've been making other things, like the elephant here. See this elephant I just made? Yeah, sometimes I get so bored. I said, I'm going to make a elephant. Or like yesterday, I made these 2 snakes by Jenna. They're so quick to make. So I made 2 snakes. I think these are fun. I put different eye beads on them. Okay, so because I had extras, and I just hope this one doesn't come apart. I don't think it is. But some of these kids, they are so rough with the eyes. I don't know if I should have put these on there, but I did anyway. Okay. But other than that, I have been blessed. I've been good. Just taking it easy today. I do. My dog is quiet. She's looking. I have to feed her this morning, so I'm going to take a break, feed her. But I want to make this cow, because I want to sell this, and make this on my next craft show. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is a cow. Look at that. Look at this, so cute. I thought it's so cute. I want to make it. And a crochet dragon, and the bananasaurs. I've already got a lot of dinosaurs, but maybe I'll make a few of these, maybe 2 bananasauruses, and see how these sell at the craft show. Okay, so I'm going to go. I have to feed my dog. I have to take her out. And I hope everyone have a great day. Stay encouraged, stay blessed, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye for now.